right, so you guys remember this car, the one that was knocking? Yep, well, listen to it now. Oh!
Nice. Nice.
Yeah!
This is real mechanics right here.
Real mechanics.
Real mechanics, oh God.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Crown Vic Auto. In this episode, I'm going here to a local junkyard to look for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. Hopefully I find that biscuit. Okay, the first thing I found is a 2007 Chevy Impala, just like the one I have. Looks like we have police tape. This car smells like straight up weed. What the heck? This is not even a joke. What the heck is that? My mouth is numb. Oh, this is not a joke. I don't want to get caught with that. Maybe I should make this a thumbnail. Ooh, look what I found. Ford Crown Vic. Searching for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. Oh, look at that. I'm still carrying this around. I'll put this down. Let's take a look inside. This Crown Vic was definitely bought by a criminal. Look at those bullet holes. Bullet holes. This is a 2001. Look. I didn't have the panel, so the bullets penetrated right through. One of the bullets traveled all the way over there. Look at all that red stuff. That's probably blood. Damn. And this comb definitely belongs to a typical criminal. Let's look on the other side. Damn it, I hate when that happens. Back roller, massager. I do need something like this, but I need one for a newer year. I'm gonna take this. Moving on to the next one. This is 2004. Let's see what kind of goodies I can find in this one. Oh, look, chrome. I've never seen that chrome. And this one's missing the ashtray that I need. All right, I could always use hubcaps. And I'm gonna take these with me. I might come back for this police trunk pack. Ooh, and we have another one. Let's search it. This is for you guys, the subscribers. Comment emblem. I'll try to get as many of these as I can find. Ooh, look at this one. Private security. The Great Seal of California. Damn it, these are always the wrong year. And what's this? A king's cane. How appropriate. Look at this Crown Vic with the center console. And you can even add that to it. Okay, so some tweaker just asked me to borrow my tool set. And I was like, okay, you know, I'm gonna be right here. It's gonna be right over there on that yellow Ford Focus over there. And they're gone. They just ran off with my stuff. This is the life of a nice guy. Anyways, I was gonna give him all that, but you know what? Screw you, you just missed an opportunity. But anyways, here comes another one. These cars are spread out. It's pretty annoying, but They're starting to close, so I gotta hurry up and find that piece I need. Got a Troy center console. I gotta come back for that. Oop, find another one. Okay. 2008, perfect. Look at that. That's the kind of stuff you'll find here in police interceptors. Bingo, here it is. And here this is. And here goes a key. Oh my gosh. I can't even remove the piece that I need because I let those tweakers borrow my tool set and now they're gone. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's the next day. I am back. I had to go rebuy that tool. $30 freaking. No more will I let a random person borrow my tools. Let's go search the rest of these cars. Oh, look at this. Lincoln LS. Yikes. The Master P Lexus. This is definitely the Master P Lexus. Back when they had car phones. Now that is a lowrider. From England, and he's on the wrong side of the road. Hope he doesn't get hurt. It's going the wrong way. Alright, this is what I got at the junkyard today. I got a police trunk pack. I got some center seat belts, some ashtrays, 4 hubcaps, and a Troy center console floor plate. Great success. All right, this one is going bye-bye. Pretty much been gutted. That is gonna go on that. They're trying to remove the emergency brake cable. This is not going to the junkyard. So if you guys are wondering, the frame is still super good. I'm actually taking it to a mechanic who is gonna turn it into a truck. So maybe if I'm lucky, he'll show me the end product. Okay, that was an epic failure. Look what happened. Yeah, look what happened. It came out of the thing, it popped up, and that is an epic failure right there. Well, what happened is the guy forgot to give me the key, so I couldn't steer, and I kept yelling, stop, stop, stop. But they just kept on going. Here we go, part 2. Okay. Okay, so I just moved the impersonator Impala to pull out the movie car and push it. Okay, now I'm gonna push it with the movie car. Okay, ready?
Nevada to, looks like a David George 813 that's on a 4 brake.
Okay, so
wonder if we can lift it.
Let's see that. Yeah, I think we could just push it from there. Okay, I found the problem. The gas tank is stuck. All right, so we're gonna jack it up a little bit. That should help the tank. Okay, that worked. So now I can push it. Great success.
This one right here?
It's called the Crash Dummy Ride. In America.
Great
You ever seen the
success.
Crash Dummy thing?
Yeah. I got this in the mail today. Looks like it's from the United Kingdom. Hope it's a biscuit, and I hope it's not a bomb. Okay, looks like a fancy looking pen. That's pretty cool. It says, hey Rick, hope you find a biscuit, and I'm not talking about bread. From Samik, Little Jokes. Thank you, Little Jokes. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like some type of necklace. That's pretty cool. Looks like yin yang and dragons. Awesome. And one last thing. Cool, looks like a watch. That is one cool looking watch. Infantry. Thank you, Little Jokes.